officially set up for the BloodDrag. We came here a day early to just get everything prepared. We have our carburetors over here. We have the pricings on them. We have going from 1411s to 1406s. We have some lane cards. We have Mom's Famous Wheelbarrow with our carburetor drop off. And then over here is our workstation where Doug and I are going to be rebuilding carburetors. Future video to come. And then we have merch for sale. We have the women's shirt, which says Dirty Nails and Telling Tales. We have the men's shirt that says We Fix Controlled Fuel Leaks. We have them in literally every size from extra small to extra, extra large.
Cool.
And then we have the Jeep. And then we have the Jeep. Mr. Eddy, who is one of the founders or creators of the BloodDrag, he does this thing where if you bring teddy bears, you get half off the entry fee. And so we made the Jeep the teddy bear holder. So these are all mine so far for the day. And yeah, and we'll see everybody tomorrow.